Now in Easy Does It, we're going to use these accents that we just did in the previous video as best we can. Again, it'll take a while before they really start to get comfortable, so you can take this slow and easy and deliver it for a while if you want to. It's up to you. But we will do this in a jazz style. We're going to swing the 8th note, so it's a... and put in the accents. They're telling you it's nice and easy. That's supposed to be a speed. You'll have to interpret that how you feel. How fast do you think nice and easy is? It's entirely up to you. It's not real fast, it's not real slow. It's just kind of a nice and easy pattern. Makes sense, right? If you've had enough to drink, this makes sense. There's a D, C, Al, Fine at the bottom, so we're going to go back up and play the first 2 lines again. Fine's at the end of the 2nd line. Now there is a little bit of trickiness going on in the left hand, I'll point it out. It's real easy to get this all messed up. So watch out. Right at the beginning on those half notes, start out with 5, and then a 1 way up here on the B. Now we're going to go down chromatically. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Not the only fingering we could use, but let's just stick with this fingering, it's fine. Now, there is one fingering suggestion I will make to you in the 2nd line. It's measure 7. And again, the measure numbers, the little box at the beginning of each line with the box, the number with a box around it. That's what those are measure numbers. So just count across. You start at measure 5 and you go 6 and 7. You're there. You're 18. It's the 3rd measure of the 2nd line. I'm going to suggest different fingering here. I'm going to suggest you put your thumb on that G. So start at measure 5. You're here, coming down 3, 4. And then I suggest you go ahead and put your thumb on the G, so you're in position for the next measure, because you need the 4th finger on the D. That's what I would suggest there. So let's just try this out and see what happens. I'll give us 4 counts. Right hand, left hand, both. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And rest. Now the acoustic jamming part at the bottom, I'll play that while you play what you just played, but we're going to speed it up a bit, so you're going to have to take the time to learn this and do the best you can with the accents. Now they're suggesting on the accents that you do the accents for the first 2 lines, and then you use regular natural accents for the second 2 lines. That's contrast. We like contrast in music. Remember, I've talked about it before on various things. So we'll do it that way. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go, and 1 and 2. Rest. 3 to the beginning.